Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Quest 2 fully off. This prevents electrical surges. Next, make sure you have a battery pack with a USB-C output and a short, quality cable. Longer cables add drag. Remove or loosen the rear strap and foam so you can access the shell. This is where the pack will sit. Once done, position the battery so its weight balances over the back of your head. This reduces front pull and keeps tracking stable. Now, position the battery centered on the rear shell. Middle is key for even balance. Secure it with the mounting strap or a Velcro pad. Make sure the pack cannot slide during movement. Route the USB-C cable along the inside of the strap or under the foam so it stays out of sight. This prevents tugging when you put the headset on. Then, plug the cable firmly into the Quest 2 USB-C port. You should feel a solid click and no sideways pressure on the connector. Power the headset back on and confirm the charging icon or steady power indication. Also check the battery pack LEDs to confirm output. Once powered, put the headset on and adjust the strap tension and tilt so the weight feels centered. This improves comfort and tracking. Finally, test a short experience to confirm no disconnects or imaging artifacts. If something goes wrong, immediately power off, disconnect and inspect the cable and port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.